What's up, YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in another video for the 04 through 08 F-150s. Mine is an 07, and today we're pretty much doing fender liners, inner wheel fender liners. These are actually from an 09 to 14. They say they don't fit. I beg to differ. The reason I went with OEM versus anything from Rough Country or Husky liners or whatever company out there that sells another variant of this is because I didn't want to drill. I was like, I want an OEM solution, and this is a plug and play. I was looking at a different forum, and I was grateful that somebody actually had posted, and yeah, like literally everything is there as it should be, connected, standard. It's easier if you just remove the mud flap, by the way, so just FYI on if you guys have that. But yeah, just giving you a heads up. If you like what you see in the content that I provide, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And as always, yeah, give me that like button or something. Tell me you're alive. All right, guys. Talk to you guys then. Thanks for checking in.